Hello students, in the previous lectures we discussed the angle between two vectors, angle between two lines, angle between two planes. Now in this lecture we see the angle between line and plane. Okay, here angle between line and plane. Here the acute angle. The acute angle between line, here r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda p bar, and plane r bar is equal to n bar, r bar dot n bar is equal to t. Okay, here we want to find the angle between line and plane. In the previous lecture we see the angle between two planes. Angle between two planes means angle between their normals. Okay. But here one is a line and one is a plane. We want to find the angle between line and plane. Okay, here see carefully. Suppose it is a plane, okay, and here it is a line. Now we want to find the angle between this line and plane. Okay, here we can find this angle. Now this is a line, so it has a direction ratios, and direction ratios, that means the vector b bar. Okay, here that means it is a, we can take b bar, it is a line, but b bar, it is a parallel vector to the line, and the direction ratios of b bar and this line are the same, so we take b bar along this vector. Okay, along this line. That means the direction ratios of the line are the components of the vector b bar, so we can take the line along vector b bar along this line. It is a b bar. Now in the plane there is a one vector, that is the n bar, but n is a perpendicular to the plane. We want to find the angle between line and plane. We want to find angle between line and plane. Now here it is a normal, okay, perpendicular. It is a perpendicular to the plane. Normal is a perpendicular to the plane. That means the here angle between line and plane, it is a theta. Angle between normal and plane, it is a 90. Therefore angle between line and normal, it is a pi by 2 minus theta. See carefully this. Angle between normal and line, it is pi by 2 minus theta. So we first find the angle between line and normal. That means angle between b bar and the n bar. Angle between b bar and n bar is in the form of the pi by 2 minus theta, and from the pi by 2 minus theta we get this theta. Okay, here angle between b bar and n bar, it is a cos of angle between b bar and n bar, it is a pi by 2 minus theta, is equal to, it is b bar dot n bar upon magnitude of b bar upon magnitude of n bar. It is the angle. Here this, we know the angle between two vectors, when a bar and b bar are the two vectors, then cos theta is equal to mod of a bar dot b bar upon magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar. Here it is a cos pi by 2 minus theta. It is angle between b bar and n bar. Angle between b bar and n bar. Therefore it is a cos of angle between b bar and n bar, and the angle between b bar and n bar, it is a cos pi by 2 minus theta. And here we know that cos pi by 2 minus theta, it is a sin theta, and sin theta is equal to b bar dot n bar upon magnitude of b bar into magnitude of n bar. And it is formula for the angle between line and plane is given by here it is a sin theta is equal to b bar dot n bar upon magnitude of b bar into magnitude of n bar. Here see carefully this. Acute angle between line and plane. Acute angle between line and planes means acute angle between the vector which is parallel to the line b bar, that means the direction ratios of the line are the components of the vector b bar, and the normal to the plane, and it is a normal. Okay, angle between B bar and N bar, it is theta. Now see carefully, angle between plane, line and plane we can denote by the sin theta. Here angle between two vectors, okay, it is a cos theta. Okay, cos theta equal to angle between two lines, cos theta equal to angle between two planes, again cos theta. But here angle between line and plane, it is sin theta. Okay, हे लक्षात राहू द्या. फक्त लाईन आणि प्लेन दोन व्हेक्टर मधला अँगल एकदम स्टार्टिंगला काढलेला आहे, cos theta घेतलेले. दोन प्लेन मधला अँगल cos theta, दोन लाईन मधला अँगल cos theta. पण लाईन आणि प्लेन या दोन्ही मधला अँगल काय, sin theta. आता कशामुळे sin theta, तर ह्या कारण लाईन हेही दोन व्हेक्टर्स आहेत. दोन व्हेक्टर मधला अँगल म्हणजेच काय, बी आणि एन या दोन व्हेक्टर मधला अँगल हा झाला अँगल. पण हा अँगल कोणता आहे, π/2 मायनस थिटा, आणि हे cos π/2 मायनस थिटा फ्रॉम द अलाइड अँगल इट इज sin थिटा. म्हणून इथं sin थिटा हा एकच फॉर्म्युला चेंज आहे, व्यवस्थित लक्षात राहू द्या. बाकी सगळे याच्यात cos थिटा इज इक्वल टू, पण लाईन आणि प्लेन याच्यात काय, sin थिटा. ओके, हिअर हे झालं तुमचा व्हेक्टर फॉर्म. नाव कार्टेशियन फॉर्म. ओके, हिअर याच्यात परपेंडिक्युलर आणि पॅरललची कंडिशन लिहून घेऊ. इफ लाईन अँड प्लेन are perpendicular, see carefully, then here line is a perpendicular to the plane. Here this line is perpendicular to the plane, that means parallel to the normal, that is parallel. Line and planes are the perpendicular, that is normal and line are parallel. Okay, and therefore you can write it is B bar is equal to lambda into n bar when line and plane, okay, line and plane are the perpendicular, that means normal and line are the parallel. It is the first. Now second, if line and plane are parallel, that is line and normal are perpendicular, therefore B bar dot n bar is equal to 0. Okay, see carefully, here line is a parallel to the plane. Line and plane are the parallel, then line is a perpendicular to the normal. And if line is a perpendicular to the plane, then line and normal are the parallel. Okay, see carefully this condition. Okay, and here see carefully this, why we take the sine. Okay, angle between line and plane, it is a theta, but we find the angle between line and normal. Okay, there. Okay, now same the Cartesian form. Acute angle between line, see carefully, line x minus x1 upon a1 is equal to y minus y1 upon b1 is equal to z minus z1 upon c1, and plane, it is here a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d is equal to 0. Here a1 b1 c1 are the direction ratios of the line, and a2 b2 c2 are the direction ratios of the normal to the plane, and then angle, it is a sin theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon under root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into under root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Okay, here a1 b1 c1 are direction ratios of line, and a2 b2 and c2 are direction ratios of normal, डायरेक्शन रेशियो ऑफ द नॉर्मल टू द प्लेन. ओके, सी केअरफुली दिस. ओके, एक्झाम्पल सेम, फक्त इथं फॉर्म्युला घेते वेळेस काय घेणार, साइन अँगल बिटवीन लाईन अँड प्लेन. ओके, नाउ वी सी द एक्झाम्पल. Here in the exercise 6.4, example number 2, find the acute angle between the line r bar dot r bar equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap plus lambda into 2I cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap and the plane r bar dot 2I cap minus j cap plus k cap is equal to 0. Now we want to find the angle between line and plane. Okay, here given equation of line is r bar is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap plus lambda into 2I cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap. Therefore here it is A bar and it is B bar. Therefore B bar is equal to 2I cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap and equation of plane is r bar dot 2I cap minus j cap plus k cap is equal to 0. Therefore n bar is equal to 2I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Let theta be acute angle between line and plane. Therefore sin theta is equal to mod of b bar dot n bar upon magnitude of n bar into magnitude of b bar. Okay, now put the values here. B bar 2I cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap dot 2I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Here b bar dot n bar, b bar dot n bar. Now in the denominator first take the magnitude of b bar, that is the 2 square plus 3 square plus minus 6 square into 2 square plus minus 1 square and plus 1 square. Okay, here b bar dot n bar, it is magnitude of b bar and it is magnitude of n bar. Okay, now we take only the calculations. Here 2 into 2 4 minus 3 minus 6, 4 minus 3 minus 6, 2 into 2 3 into minus 1 and it is minus 6 into 1, dot product of these two vectors 2 into 2 4, 3 into minus 1 minus 3 and minus 6 into 1 it is minus 6 upon here magnitude of b bar 2 square plus 3 square plus minus 6 square, that is 2 square 4 9 and 36, it is 49 into under root of 2, 4, 1, 1, it is 6. Okay, and then here 4 minus 3, it is 1, that is minus 5 upon 7 under root 6, and therefore sin theta is equal to 5 upon 7 under root 6, and therefore theta is equal to sin inverse of 5 upon 7 under root 6. Okay, here it is the sin inverse. Okay, here see carefully, check all the calculations.